From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the dollar yen, and as you can see, we have broken down rather significantly to slice through the 50-day EMA. The 142.5 level is an area that had been previously important, so now that we're below there, we could continue to go lower. The 140 level underneath is an area that's a large round number. Um, I think that offers support as well. So if we turn around and show signs of life, or if we can break above 142.5, then we could go back towards the highs. Keep in mind that the Bank of Japan continues to loosen monetary policy, so I think it's only a matter of time before you get value hunters, but you'll have to wait for that opportunity.